Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Yes Bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in Yes Bank login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.yesbank.in. Just click on that first link. Now you will be taken to the official website of Yes Bank. Now at the top right of your screen you can see the login button. Just click on that login button to log in. Over here you can see the many options. For now I'm choosing the first one, Yes Online. Again you will be taken to the new interface, which is the login page of Yes Bank. Now at the left side of your screen you can see the login form. Over here you just need to enter your login ID. Similarly enter your password over here, and once you click on login button you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your login ID, just click on forgot login ID. Similarly click on unlock login ID, and similarly forgot password. In case if you forgot your security question and answer, just click on forgot security question and answer. If you don't have any account of Yes Banking, just click on register here. From here you can create a new account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for our latest video, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.